Bosma Enterprises is a truly unique business. For almost a century, the Indiana company has been providing job training, rehabilitation, and employment services for people who are blind or visually impaired. Bosma is Indiana's largest employer of people with vision loss, providing meaningful jobs. More than 60% of Bosma's employees are blind or visually impaired. But Bosma is still a business, generating about $55 million a year in the sales of exam and surgical gloves and medical products.
Bosma Enterprises has a very unique business model for a nonprofit. We're the largest employer of people who are blind or visually impaired in the state of Indiana, and we provide that employment through a medical supply business. We also provide rehabilitation services to newly blinded adults throughout the state of Indiana at no charge to our clients. This is made possible through the revenues that are driven by that medical supply business.
When Bosma needed to upgrade its technology structure, they chose Salesforce as their CRM. With a complex network of 30 different software systems, Access databases, and Excel workbooks, they needed to convert to a single point of entry.
We looked at a number of different applications for our warehouse and ERP management. We chose Ascent because Ascent was willing to work with us to customize their product to meet the needs of our unique business model and our unique workforce.
Because Bosma needed to use iOS devices to operate with their visually impaired employees, we had some groundbreaking new technology surrounding the use of voice in a warehouse on a consumer-grade product.
Ascent needed to find a way to make a consumer device drive an industrial application.
In looking at different systems to read the screen to our users, we first investigated some Microsoft mainstream products, but it really occurred to us that with everyone having knowledge of Apple's devices and Apple being a leader in technology and accessibility, we thought if Siri can look at Facebook and help us get around on Twitter, why can it not help us get around the warehouse? And that really opened up the door to take a look at Apple and iOS and what device would really fit our needs the best.
We've rolled out other warehouse applications before, but we broke new technology ground with the Bosma Enterprises project. Utilizing iOS voice in an industrial setting was revolutionary to not only Ascent, but to the Force.com platform.
After a year in development and testing, employees spent 2 weeks in training to become fully comfortable with the standard operating procedures of each aspect. The Ascent app launched successfully, running throughout Bosma's warehouse and production across 2 facilities.
We are so grateful to Ascent for having been willing to take this journey with us. With their help, we have built an end-to-end integrated business platform that is fully accessible to people who are blind or visually impaired. Because of their partnership, more jobs are available to people who are blind at Bosma Enterprises than ever before. With all of the custom development that was required to meet our needs, it's been a long road, a long journey, but we are incredibly excited that not only have we built a business platform, we have built a system that's made it possible to provide meaningful employment for people who are blind.
The groundbreaking program that Ascent developed and Bosma launched was given a name that recognizes the power of technology to help the blind and visually impaired function more fully in the workplace with Salesforce.com. VisionForce. When innovative thinking meets advanced technology, visionary products result. When you need technology to meet your specific concerns and issues, not just fit into existing products, talk to Ascent. We rise to the challenge.